So welcome back. This is the final part in the if little segment of this series, so let's get straight into it. So Rust actually has a fairly cool and unique feature, and that is it allows you to directly bind the result of an if control structure. If your control structure returns a value, it allows you to directly bind that to a variable. So let me show you what I actually mean by that. Now, normally when we assign a variable, we say, let x is equal to 5, or we might do something like this. We might say if, x is equal to 5, x is equal to 4. I don't know, we might reassign x. Obviously, we can't do that because it's not mutable, so we'll just fix that. So we'll say let mut x is equal to 5, and we'll save that. And what I'll do is we'll quickly run this program just to show you that it'll work. So let's jump into our terminal. So we'll say cargo run. And as you can see, it ran. I didn't obviously print anything out, but we have now x equal to 4. Now, you remember in the last video we covered the else operator. So for those of you who don't remember, we'll quickly show you again. I'll say x is equal to 3. Sorry, x is equal to 3. So basically what we're saying here is if x is equal to 5, assign x equal to 4, else assign x equal to 3. Now, we're really lucky because in Rust there's actually a much nicer and cleaner way to write this. So let's go ahead and we'll say x is equal to if x is equal to 5 for else 3. You might be thinking to yourself, what is going on here? That doesn't make any sense. Well, believe it or not, when I cargo run this, it will actually compile just fine. So let me explain to you what's exactly going on here. So first thing we do is we create a variable and we assign it to 5. Now, so what I've gone ahead and actually done is just quickly cleaned up the code for us so we can actually see what is going on a little bit clearer here. So what we're actually saying here is let y equal to the result of this control structure's return. So if x is equal to 5, then we're going to return the number 4, because if you remember in Rust, we don't have to use the return keyword. So what we're doing here is implicitly returning the number 4. Else, if x does not equal to 5, we're going to return the number 3 and assign it to the variable y. So let's go ahead and run our code here, make sure it's saved. So as you can see, the result of running this program is that y is equal to 4. And that's literally all there is to the if variable binding. Thanks for watching, guys. Rate, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, we're going to be going over loops.